How do you convert 4 ingredients into a delicious, nutritious meal? Stay tuned. Hey, it's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel, Chilling with H. Thanks for joining me on this journey of health and wellness. I'm healthy and I want to keep it that way. Food is my medicine and I want to take care of my health. You know that old saying, your health is your wealth. If you're new here, please subscribe. I want you to be a part of this journey. So in this video, with minimal ingredients, I'm making a delicious curry. Not too many spices, but the good stuff like turmeric and ginger. See the description box for the list of ingredients and any tips I might share. Please note, this is not your typical Trini style curry. So let's get started. Cut up the vegetables. They don't have to be perfectly cut. Heat a pot with the coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add the cumin or Jeera seeds. Stir it around. Add the ginger, cardamom, garlic and onions and stir for about a minute. Next, add in the turmeric or hardee powder and stir. Add the water and stir to prevent the aromatics from sticking. Now add in the tomato puree. Stir again, cover and cook for about 3 minutes on medium heat. Remove the lid, add the salt and sugar and stir to incorporate. Throw in the chopped veggies and add a little water if the tomato sauce appears too thick. Sprinkle the dried chili flakes and mix everything well. Cover and cook until the veggies are tender, maybe for about 5 more minutes. Remove the lid and stir. Test a piece of potato by pressing it against the inside of the pot. If it squashes easily, it's ready. Turn off the heat. I've prepared some parboiled rice and a small salad with lettuce, olives, and boiled sweet potatoes as an accompaniment. Until next time, my friends, let's make food our medicine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share. Drop me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, take care.